Download the app. Go to the Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone and download the AIIONGOLD app. Open the app, tap on the registration button. Enter your details, full name, email ID, phone number, password. Confirm password. Select country. If you have a referral affiliate code, enter it here. Tap the Get OTP button. An OTP will be sent to your registered email address. Enter the OTP you received on your email. Tap the Verify button. Now you are ready to complete your KYC. To begin the verification process, please ensure you have one of the following documents ready: a national ID card, a driving license, a passport. Click on the Start Your KYC button. Select your country of residence. Then click the Continue button. Verify your identity. Upload your identity document. Make sure to upload both sides of the document. Upload a selfie. Ensure it's clear and taken in real time. Enter your profile details: first name, last name, contact number, gender. Click the Continue button to proceed. If your KYC is successfully verified, you will be granted full access to the application or dashboard. Click on the Deposit button. Choose your payment method, either bank transfer or cryptocurrency. By default, the bank option is selected. Select your bank from the list provided. Upload your payment proof, screenshot or receipt. Enter the exact amount you have deposited. If you paid in USD, the system will automatically convert it to your local currency. Click on the Continue button. An OTP will be sent to your registered email. Enter the OTP to confirm the transaction. Once completed successfully, click the Confirm button. Your deposit will be approved within 72 hours. Go to the Invest section. You can see here every available investment plan. You can view investment plans like 7%, 17%, 35%, 51%, 68%, 85% return. Choose any one plan. Click on Buy Now. Then you will be able to see the plan details. You can see details such as investment amount, duration, expected return, daily ROI. If you have a coupon code, apply it. If not, select the payment method. Click on Buy Now and then Continue.